Welcome back. In this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of SparkyLinux with the KDE desktop and some of the applications pre-installed. SparkyLinux is a lightweight, fast and simple Linux distribution designed for both old and new computers based on the Debian operating system. The project offers a ready-to-use operating system with a set of various customized lightweight desktops to choose from. SparkyLinux has a version based on the stable and one on the testing branch of Debian and uses a semi-rolling release cycle on the testing branch version. It includes a collection of tools and scripts to help users with easy administration of the system. The default desktop environments are LXDE, Mate, XFCE and KDE, but users can install other desktops via SparkyApts. As Sparky ISO Image features a few proprietary packages, the SparkyApts provides a small tool called Non-Free Remover which can easily uninstall all contrib and non-free packages from the system. The project was born on October 2011 as an Ubuntu remix with Enlightenment, as the default desktop having the name UA17R, Ubuntu Enlightenment 17 Remix. After a few months of testing, the base system has been changed to Debian and it was renamed to SparkyLinux. SparkyLinux was first released on May 5, 2012 with the code name Venus. SparkyLinux uses systemd as is init software and supports Btrfs, X3, X4 and XFS file systems. For package management, SparkyLinux uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. SparkyLinux includes the version 5.10.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of SparkyLinux are Firefox, Thunderbird, VLC, Timeshift and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell what you think of the latest release of SparkyLinux on the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.